you ready? So tonight for homework, you're going to pick 2 other figures and you're going to do it 3 times. All right, so we're getting ready to do it again. Oh boy, draw it again.
Mrs. Counts. Well, could we go like the opposite direction?
That's even worse. Okay, now I'm going to draw the vector this time going straight north. Okay? You choose where you want to put your vector. I'm going to draw mine straight north. And then I'm just going to simply translate, shift, slide my figure north. Jessica asked, how far do I go? You can't miss it, okay? If you want to extend your vector all the way to the top of your page and shift it all the way to the top, as long as it shifts in that direction. Can't draw it.
Wait, I have a question.
And remember, we want to preserve, okay? Now, you go ahead. Do a third one. Question here.
Is, you know A and B? Like the letters on
Thank you very much. That's
do you,
something I forgot.
is B always on the arrow?
That's your terminating point? Yes.
Okay.
I would. Everyone, please watch because this is important for your homework and maybe a quiz later on. This is A. What is this going to be? No. A prime. Oh, we did not change the name of our figure to a different letter. We changed it to A prime. Question on.
Okay, so when you're having little lines and points, the vector line, and you have a dash line, and then those second, the A and B line, does B always have to go first once the A goes first?
A should be the starting point, and B should be your terminating or ending of your vector. This isn't so important how you label this. What's going to be important for being assessed is whether. Oh, and guess what? Did anybody catch it?
Yes.
I did it wrong. Did you catch that?
Yes.
This should not be prime. I'm going southwest.
Oh, that one should be prime.
Yes, it should, Max. Yes, Daniel, question. Yes, we're going to do another one right now. You ready? One more time, we're going to draw this one that Rocky picked.
Thank you, Robbie.
This time, we're writing with your pencil, not moving your mouth. We're shifting to the right. I'm gonna go east. You don't have to. You can go west, or if you want to draw in a different direction.
I did that before she.
And I'm just gonna shift it. This is a really simple one. To A prime. Homework. I'll repeat it. Homework. You're going to do 2 more 3 times. All right, so you're going to have 6 transformations. On the back, if you may have to use the front, you can. I'm not sure I picked you because you went in part to draw. It's up to you. All right, now turn over to the second page, exercise 2. I think this is lots of fun and very simple to understand. I don't know what happened.
Hit doc / PC.
You're welcome. Somehow to turn on. Did I unplug it?
Is it on?
No.
Okay, while we're checking our technical difficulties, we just look at it. Everybody, how many of you raised your hand have started already? Okay. So you will notice, everyone listening, because your homework is going to be to complete it. You'll notice that there's a line, and then there's a translation of the line. There's an angle, there's a translation of the angle. It's kind of mixed up a little bit. There's a line segment here, translated down here. So then they leave out the letters, and they leave out the measurements. Remember, the measurements are preserved. They don't change. So you're simply going to label them, okay? For example, this first one here, we're going to label it from the translated line. Let's see, how would we label this line? So remember, we translated this line down. This is the translated. How did we label the initial beginning line? FNC, right? Without the prime, right? Because the prime one has the F prime, C prime. Up here, it would just be labeled FC. Okay? So they leave some parts out. And you're going to take a gander at that page and make sure you all understand what to do on that page. We're going to go on.
Wait. Can you repeat like?
I'm not. Thank you. Raise your hand if I need to kind of guide you a little more on this sheet. All right, here it says yes. So I'm going to show you. Notice this line segment here has a D prime. Guess what? That's my translated line. Let's find the original. Whoop, there it is. So right here, I'm going to label that one D because my translated is D prime. Okay? And then E is here. And so how am I going to label this one? E prime. Thank you so much, Blake. Just fine. Okay, moving on to the back page. Remember, for homework, you're completing this worksheet on the back. We don't need to do them out. We're going to do number 1 together. Some of you already started it. You'll notice the vector is going northeast, right?
But it doesn't have a high slope.
I can't draw a star. It's going to look terrible, but I'm going to shift my star, okay? You may want to extend this a little bit depending on how far you want to shift your star, okay? And I'm just shifting it along the vector. Good luck with drawing your star. So basic, guys. You're just sliding along the vector. Okay? Now, I haven't